Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook with Instagram. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So first what you want to do is open up your Instagram app, go to your profile, click on the hamburger menu, then you want to click on settings and privacy and then account center. Now from there it's pretty simple. What you need to do is click on profiles at the top right, and as you can see I only have Instagram. If I were to click on Instagram, and usually you have it at the bottom, but if you want to add it you just need to click on add accounts, add Facebook accounts and connect the two, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.